Okay guys, I am burning a piece of charcoal in foil because it's raining outside, but I want to have that barbecue charcoal flavor to my meat. So I am using this foil and cast iron skillet and some instant light, a piece of instant light charcoal. Once the charcoal turns gray and the fire goes out, I'll put it in my oven next to my chicken so it'll give it that outdoor charcoal barbecue flavor. And I have it here next to the sink for safety reasons. And always watch it, never walk away. Keep your eye on it to make sure, the fire doesn't get out of hand. Okay, so you see how the charcoal is there in the foil and my meat is here. It's gonna give that flavor to that chicken without having to go outside and everything because it's raining. So, okay guys, my chicken is done. And as you can see, I put some corn on here as well. My little charcoal piece is still kind of going. The oven is off, but it's still getting that smoky charcoal flavor. Now, if you wanted, I just wanted a slight charcoal barbecue taste on it. But now, if you want it to be like a little more with that flavor, I would say put 2 in there, but no more than 2 because you are using your oven. And you have to make sure that they get like gray, like on the barbecue grill. So, yeah. But I will show you my plating next. I made a shrimp macaroni salad that I will be plating with this as well. And I will show you guys the finishing product, the finishing plating later. Okay, my ladies and gentlemen. Okay, guys, this is the finishing product. So I made barbecue chicken in the oven. This is a shrimp pasta salad, garlic bread, and corn. Get into it, okay?